Books are a great way for project managers to go deep on planning, product design, marketing, and growth to improve their work. The hard part is figuring out the best project management books to read to stay on top of changes and innovations. In this video, we have prepared a list of project management books available for intermediate level in 2022. 1. Project Management Case Studies, by Harold Kersner. If you've already started your learning journey, this book is perfect for showing you how concepts, principles and methods of project management are applied to real-life projects. Containing case studies from the biggest companies and brands in the world, you will get a real feel for how project management works in the real world. 2. Agile Project Management with Scrum, by Ken Schwaber. The author, Ken Schwaber, is actually the co-creator of the Scrum method, so if you're looking for specifics, this is definitely the book for you. Schwaber makes his methodologies straightforward and easy to understand when solving complex issues to scaling projects. The book also helps software developers understand the best practices for success. 3. Making Things Happen, Mastering Project Management, by Scott Birkin. If you work in the software industry, or are hoping to change your career as such, this book is particularly useful. The author, Scott Birkin, has years of experience as a project manager and has worked for top software brands like MSN, Windows and Internet Explorer, so you can guarantee he has a few tricks up his sleeve. 4. The Manager's Path, a guide for tech leaders navigating growth and change, by Camille Fournier. The book is full of actionable advice and methods to overcome the obstacles of IT management. This book contains ideas to supervise a multi-level team that creates a team grooming culture. It also tells about how to mentor people in their problems. However, learning how to do your work better than before is a continuous process. Whether you're just starting your career or have decades of experience, you must have the capability to adapt to the latest technologies. Read these best project management books to boost your skills as a professional and even as a potential leader. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.